IPSY. Interesting. I think those are supposed to be lips. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see. It says sealed with a kiss. Yeah, so sealed with a kiss, so lips. And it just looks like a little envelope. It's pretty cool. The color's kind of orangish red. Not quite red, not quite orange. Made with love. All right. Before we open this, there's one other thing in the bag. Ooh. It's got a little protector with it. I like protectors. Yeah. Keep your bristles straight too. Shayna B. Miami. It's pretty. It's got two little flamingos right here doing their heart thing. Oh, I like that it actually says blush on it, so I know what to use it for. That's actually kind of genius. I might have to go back and actually label my brushes. So, but yeah, it's pretty. I love brushes. I'm not supposed to look. Okay, the card. Put that down. And the first thing, Balance Me a Wonder Cream. Tap onto cleansed skin under and around the delicate eye area until absorbed. 100% natural. Cool. Should probably start using something like this. I'm starting to get to that age where I'm starting to get the crow's feet. Not that I really care too much. I'm not one of those people that are like, oh no, I'm getting wrinkles. But it never hurts. So cool. Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with Super Volcanic Clusters Wash Off Mask. I'm actually running out of my clay mask right now, so that's actually awesome that I got that. That'll probably only be good for maybe 2 or 3 uses if I use it sparingly. But I do love clay masks. I usually use actually for the longest time I used a really expensive brand until I lost it during one of our moves. I'm gonna have to find it again, but it's really expensive. It's like $80 for maybe twice as much. It's really expensive, but it's totally worth it. I just haven't coughed up the money to get it again. Then I started using a Neutrogena clay mask, and it comes in like a little clear square bottle with a green lid. I don't know. It works. I like it because after you clean your face, clay masks, they actually close up your pores and make you look like you have a smoother finish. So, yeah, it's actually good timing. What else? Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigments Eyeshadow Desert Sunset. Huh. That's just, yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just like a little nude color. I might have to go back into my profile and tell them I don't want nude colors anymore, because I said I like nude colors, but I'm getting a lot of stuff that's nude, so I might have to change up my profile a little bit. But it's cool. It definitely works for my skin tone, so they did good with that. And it's shiny. I don't usually like shiny eyeshadows. I'm wearing shiny eyeshadow right now, and I don't know, it's kind of 50-50 with me. Then, what's the last thing? Sorosi Morning Water Drop Cream. Breathe comfortably. Facial cream. Help replenish skin moisture. So you use it in the morning, I'm assuming. I don't know if there's like on their creams and stuff, because I don't usually use any, obviously. I use a regular face moisturizer at night sometimes. Honestly, maybe like once a month. But as far as the creams go and everything, I don't know if you're supposed to use them in the morning. This one obviously is in the morning. If there's specifically some that you use at night, if there's specifically some that you use during the day, I have no idea. But obviously this one says morning, so we'll try it out. That's everything. So let's see. This is the February bag. I'm a little behind. Yes, forgive me. Send love. I think it's just asking if you want to give other people a code or whatnot. Well, this is a little different. Usually when you open up your card, it tells you what they are and it gives you little tiny pictures of them. But this doesn't have the pictures. It's just wear a pink glitter eye just because. I'm assuming that's this one. Oh, I don't like that they're not doing that anymore. Usually on their cards, like I said, the little tiny pictures, and they say what they are. They tell you if it's a sample or a full size. I don't know. All I know is I don't like that they're doing this now. Now they're like, oh, it's all electronic. Go online and find out. It says it down here. It says, get to know your glam bag pics. Log on and click the learn button. Your product photos for tips, tricks, and must know info. Usually it's on the card. I don't like that it's not on the card. But I can log on later, and the tips and tricks are actually kind of useful, especially for someone like me who doesn't know anything about makeup. So I think I'm learning, though. I think I'm learning, just slightly. But all in all, not too bad of a bag. Like I said, $12 for these bags, so that's actually pretty good. It's a lot of samples. But I mean, these brushes, which I wish I had the information. Honestly, you know what? Let's check it out real quick. It's not working. Maybe it's just been too long, but it says product information not available. Not good. One reason why I like the cards. Let me go to each individual one, because they send you an email that shows you all the different ones. So let's see. The brush itself, because we know that that's full size. Because they don't really do mini versions of these. Yeah, full size, MSRP $23. So there you go. Like I said, the brushes, that's where you get your money. If you don't like brushes, don't know exactly how you're going to get your money's worth, but that's usually how it is. So the Morning Water Drop Cream, face cream, 15 grams. So it's gotta be a sample size. And it's not telling me MSRP. But it does give you the tips and tricks on here, so you just got to go back onto their website. I just wish it would tell me. No, it's not going to tell me. So there was that. The eyeshadow. This one does. Oh, yeah, see, that's full size. Wow, they want $15 for this in store. Or I should say online, because it's available online. Wow. It's only 3 grams, and they want $15 for that MSRP, or doesn't even say MSRP because it's only available on IPSY, I think. But it does give you the tips and tricks and everything, so that's pretty cool. But like I said, I probably won't even use this. So that's already over $30, almost $40 on these, and the bag is only $12, and you get a cute little bag too, which, like I said, I'll probably just give to my girls because it's a cute little envelope. So, but what else we got? Oh yeah, the mask, which I'm definitely going to be trying out. It doesn't give price on here, but it does say that it's a deluxe sample. Once or twice a week for dry skin. Leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse. So yeah, perfect, just like my other ones. And last, but certainly not least, the eye cream. It is also a sample, so we got just the 2 full-size items, which is usually what you get. You get 2 full... Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's not the full size. That's the full size. But yeah, usually in the $12 bag, that's their smallest bag, you get the 2 full-size items, and then the rest are samples. So I got what I paid for, and I definitely got my money's worth. And I will definitely be using all of these. So yeah, worked out pretty good. Junk. But I don't like that IPSY started doing that. I don't like how you have to use the technology, even though we're a technology age. I know, but still, if you're going to put a card in, at least put the information on it. There was literally one thing about the eyeshadow. That was it. I don't even think it was about this because it said pink eyeshadow. So I think it was just their whole February thing with the whole Valentine's and everything. So, while it's cool, it's it's just useless information for me. So you have to use their website, kind of a bummer, but at least it's all on there, most of it at least. You just have to dig around for it. But yeah, definitely got my money's worth. So let me know what you think of this bag. Let me know if you like any of these items. My favorite item, obviously, it's gonna be the brush because I love brushes. So if you have any tips or tricks for me makeup-wise, because I know nothing about makeup, I am learning, but slowly. So if you have any tips or tricks for me, if you see something that I do with my makeup and you're like, oh, it looks really bad, please let me know because I have no idea. I'm literally just going off of what I learned from like my best friend in high school. So, or I should say my childhood best friend because I've known her like my entire life, but love her to death. But I want to try new things. So if you have tips or tricks, please let me know. I am all ears. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see future unbagging videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.